Dossier, so we're just doing the same thing. Working on making the pager, the verbal command, the body English, and the treats all work together. Not as easy as it sounds. Alright, so I've already got my treats ready. This is the one when she was younger. She did not have the best attention span. Certainly not as good as Dogtra. No, down. Good, good. So remember, we're glossing over the mistakes. Good, good. Dossier. Good. Heel. Heel. Good. Heel. Good. Do my pager, heel. Drop that hand down, heel. Good. Listen. Heel. Down. Good. No. Down. Same thing, I've got like 4 treats in my hand. So the hand can drop down. Dossier! Heel. I want the dog to be able to say, heel. Heel. Good. Down. But if I watch them, I can see the cues. If there's no cues, they never do that. Alright, you guys, more updates soon.